studio again. For this week's episode, I thought I would share my favourite recipe. Just kidding, actually we're going to clean some hardware. These are Art Deco and are absolutely gorgeous, but they are very, very filthy. So for this quick and easy technique, you will need a saucepan, a very crappy one, some white vinegar. I buy it kind of industrial size because I do this a lot. Some extra fine wire wool. Over here, and I'm pretty sure in the States it's called 000 wire wool. I've also got a few brushes. They're like, I think for a pack of 3 it's like a couple of quid. I haven't actually tried using these before with this method, but I thought as this is quite delicate, I'd give it a go, so we're going to kind of see as we go. And then I've got just a lint-free cloth so I can buff everything up. So let's get started. So I'm going to put the hardware in my pan and cover it with the white vinegar. So you want to make sure that the white vinegar covers the top of the handles. These are quite thick, the actual drop part, because they're curved. There we go. So what we're going to do now, excuse the noise, is I'm going to put it on my induction for a few minutes. So get it to boiling and then leave it. It's been simmering away. I forgot to mention before, very important because you don't want to burn your hands, a pair of crappy tongs, and also I've got my back door open because it's vinegar, it stinks. And when I last tried to film something like this, my eyes were seriously watering. So anyway, I'm going to get the hardware. So advice, you can see all the steam coming up, but keep your face away from it because it really does stink. Right, so you can see already that they kind of look different to the other ones. So you get your wire wool. Actually, another good point is last time I did this, my hands went absolutely black from the wire wool. So if you've got some little gloves, then put them on. So we'll go with the drop part first. And you'll see almost immediately that it's brightening up. You know what, I'm actually going to try one of these. Remember I said I haven't tried these before, so let's give that a go. Actually, that is quite helpful for like the indents around the side. The wire wool now. I'm using a brush again now because I'm just trying to get into the actual bit that bolts behind the back plate, and it's got quite a few grooves in it. And I have to say, actually, brushes are a good move if you've got something detailed like I have here. If you've got something flattish, then the wire wool is absolutely fine. By the way, sorry if you can hear some noise in the background. That's my dogs. Right, so you keep going until you get the kind of shine or the look that you want. I'm actually going to do the back side of this as well because I'm just OCD probably, I don't know what it is. Another good tip actually is to, if you've got the liquid that you used before, is just dip your wire wool in it and obviously watch your hands. And then you can use that, and that actually works a treat. Why didn't I think of that before? That's the first, the drop part of the handle done. I am now going to go for the back plate of the handle. So I'm going to dip in my vinegar liquid again, because obviously that's been sitting there a little while. And round two. So beautiful. Actually, I kind of like everything Art Deco, so I guess that probably explains it. Which is really silly because this isn't going to be seen at all. So, ta-da! Clean and lovely in a few minutes. There we go. Done.